All right, y'all, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking how to set up your Google Business Review request system and fully automate it so that you can be sending out automated requests within minutes every day. Welcome if this is your first time joining my channel. My name is Sophie and I am very excited to be jumping in today. So we want to talk Google Business Reviews and Google Business Review requests. Now, why? Google Business Reviews are one of the best ways to grow local and organic traffic to your business, especially if you have a Google Business profile. Now, if you don't have a Google Business profile and you don't know where to get started, go ahead and check out our previous videos over here so that you can go ahead and get this set up, which you'll need to have before you can actually go through this process. Please note that you do have to go through a verification process with Google, but you do not actually need to have a physical location in order to create a Google Business profile if you run an online or digital business. It is also helpful for you to grow local SEO to help improve overall SEO on your site, even if, again, your business is a digital or online business. So if you have your Google Business profile already set up, then what we're going to do is we're going to go straight over to your Google Business profile page and get the link direct from your account. Okay, so enough of the basics. Let's go ahead and dive on in. Let's go ahead and dive on in here. Now, what you're seeing is the Online Business Automator. This is one of our Google Business accounts and profiles and pages that we manage, and we're able to see here all of the different features inside of this platform. One of the things that we want to do is we want to work on generating more reviews. So it's pretty quick and easy. It's literally one click, ask for reviews, and it helps you generate an instant link that you can then use to email, use WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other tools that you want to request clients to link and send over reviews to your account. Now, if you want to take it one step further, then there is an amazing tool that we use inside of the Online Business Automator CRM, which I'm going to show you in the next few minutes here, so you can actually automate this entire process that will allow you to go ahead and send Google Business Review requests without having to go through the manual process of creating an individual email every single time. All right, let's check it out. So what we're looking at here is the Online Business Automator Google Business profile page. Now, you can see that here with what it is that we're Googling when we're Googling the Online Business Automator. And this, what you're seeing, is the actual profile that's created in Google that shows up on Google search. And one of the things that we have started to work with here is automating the Google Business Review process. Now, whenever we are wanting to generate reviews, we're actually going to use another tool that goes beyond Google but integrates directly with it, which allows us to go ahead and send automated review requests with one click. Now, the tool we're going to be using is actually called the Online Business Automator CRM. This is the back end of the software so that you can take a better look about what's inside here. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the sizing just a wee bit so you can see the full thing. And what this shows us are a few different things. Number one, this tool has the ability for you to manage your reputation online. Now, typically you have to pay another software to be able to do this, and most CRMs don't actually include it in there, but this one does, which makes it so much easier and so much better. Now, how it works is when you first go into setting up your account, you'll come over to the settings tab here, and then you will simply click on and select all of the different sources that you want to generate reviews from, set up your settings, and then you can create the actual SMS, meaning text message, and our email review request links that you send out to contacts inside of the system at whatever way and whatever frequency you would like. Now, what's built in about this and what's extra cool is it actually allows you to create a repetitive process, meaning that we will all organically and automatically follow up with leads every 15 days for up to 3 times. So if somebody doesn't leave us a review the first time, the system will automatically resend that email over. Now, if you're worried about branding, the beautiful thing about this is that it actually allows us to create a beautiful, well-designed and branded email so that we can send to contacts and users to leave us a beautiful Google review. Now, if you're wondering, okay, well, how do we get that review link? Well, the cool thing here is that it automatically creates your Google Business Review link whenever you integrate your Google Business profile. So it's literally 2 clicks. We go ahead and connect it. And then from here, you can see all of the different Google Business pages we have, and then this will generate that actual link. Now, if you don't want to send out your link through the software and you just want to use it organically, then you can simply copy this link, put it into a new browser, and it will automatically generate that Google Business review request, where you'll see here this pop-up is going to show up and it's going to say, hey, leave us a review, and it's already getting it started for you. Now, if you wanted to use the online business automator software to streamline this process for yourself, then the beautiful thing about this is all you have to do, even if you want to actually have a QR code, you can even create that and build that into your account now, is simply go over to your overview or to your review requests, send review request, enter in your contact information and details, and then you can go ahead and send that review. Now, when you send that review request, that contact is going to get an automated email that you've preset over here in your settings, which will help to boost your overall Google Business reviews. Now, in this video, we're not going to be covering all of the automations and fun, cool, techie things that you can do to make this process even faster and more seamless, but what we want to introduce is the fact that you can actually streamline this process so that you're not constantly having to wait on sending out Google Business review requests. So this was a quick and short video. I wanted to just introduce you to the concept of what automation can do, what the Online Business Automator CRM has inside of it. If you want to check it out, there's a link inside of the description. Feel free to try the software if you would like. If you don't want to pay for these services, you can always go through Google and you can just use a general Google Business Review link, but we would recommend, if you really want to automate and streamline your business, to actually build this into a software that gives you the functionality to do it without actually having to think about it. If you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. If you have questions, as always, comment down below and we'll be sure to get those answered. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.